Hey, welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Let me tell you, I've been there. We all hit those moments where life feels like it's crumbling. This video is a step-by-step game plan to turn things around. We're diving deep, no fluff, just pure action. By the end, we aim to restore your hope and confidence. When everything's a mess, it's tempting to reach for comfort food or stay up all night worrying. But that just digs the hole deeper. Start small. A 20-minute walk, swapping soda for water, getting some sunlight. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Create a sleep routine. No screens an hour before bed, cool room, maybe some white noise. You were not born to stare at screens all day trapped in a concrete jungle. Get outside. Walk barefoot on grass. Feel the sun on your skin. These aren't just feel-good activities, they reset your nervous system. Nature calms the chaos and changes your brain chemistry. Even 15 minutes can make a difference. When you're in a hole, the first rule is to stop digging. Are you doubling down on bad decisions? Staying in a toxic relationship? Ignoring debt? Identify what's making things worse and cut it off. This takes honesty and courage. You can't rebuild while being dragged down. This is about damage control, creating room to strategize. Your brain craves dopamine, the feel-good chemical from pleasure and reward. Resist chasing it through shopping, binge-watching, partying, or other distractions. These are band-aids, not solutions. Focus on long-term stability, not fleeting highs. Now is not the time for grand plans. Keep it simple. Focus on the fundamentals. What are the non-negotiables? Paying bills, showing up for work, taking care of your kids. Choose 2 high-priority tasks each day and crush them. Small victories pave the way for bigger wins. When life feels chaotic, a structured routine is your anchor. Start with basics. Wake up, hydrate, move, journal, eat a healthy breakfast. Your routine should be consistent, not rigid. Regain control one good habit at a time. You're not meant to go through this alone. Reach out to your trusted circle, family, friends, mentors. Share your struggles and ask for help. True strength lies in connection. Denying reality keeps you stuck. Time for a fearless moral inventory. What choices led you here? This isn't about self-flagellation, it's about radical responsibility. Extract lessons, forgive yourself, and commit to doing better. Every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Identify the energy vampires in your life: toxic people, draining commitments, failed projects. These are anchors weighing you down. Cut them loose. Simplify, streamline, and create space for what matters. Clear the clutter to make room for growth, opportunity, and joy. When was the last time you felt truly alive, excited, passionate? Revisit those activities, hobbies, or passions. Joy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It fuels your spirit and renews your energy. Make time for joy, even if it's just a few minutes each day. There's no shame in asking for expert guidance. Therapists, counselors, coaches, mentors, these professionals provide objective support, tools, and strategies to navigate challenging times. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, even the strongest athletes have coaches and mentors. Society's definition of success, money, fame, possessions, often leads to misery. What does true success look like to you? Maybe it's a loving family, strong relationships, inner peace, or making a difference in the world. Align your goals with your values. True fulfillment comes from living in alignment with your purpose, not possessions. Don't bottle up your emotions. Allow yourself to feel the pain, sadness, or anger. Suppressed emotions resurface later in unhealthy ways. Processing your emotions is essential for healing. It's tempting to numb the pain with alcohol, drugs, or overeating, or other forms of escapism. These offer temporary relief, but worsen the problem. Face the dragon head-on. Develop healthy coping mechanisms. True freedom comes from conquering your demons, not running from them. This is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of an incredible comeback. Zoom out and see the bigger picture. Every challenge you overcome becomes part of your narrative. Your story is your power. It's a testament to your resilience. Share your story with others who are struggling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more content. Remember, you are not alone. Millions have faced similar challenges. You possess the strength to overcome this. Sometimes effort is your only path out.